Hello everyone, welcome back to our C programming playlist. In the last video, we learned about format specifiers in C. So in today's video, let's try to understand something called constants in C. So what are constants? Constants are nothing but the values in a program so that do not change during the execution. And of course, they help us make our code safer and more readable. So we can say constants are fixed values, so which will not be modified during our program execution. Let's take one, two examples. So const int days in week. So if you observe days in week is a variable, int is the data type, and const is the keyword. Of course, int is also a keyword. If you observe here, normally every time we have the number of days in a week only to 7, right? So this value will not be modified, even though let's say we forgot and we modified, that should not be modified. So that's the reason for all those values which you don't want to be modified during your program execution, you keep those values as const. So let's take one more example. Const float pi equal to 3.14. So normally you say pi equal to 22 by 7. So that would be 3.14. So this is a float value. So you went for float, and of course it is also const. So basically why we use these constants? So as we have discussed, so normally to prevent accidental modification of values. So maybe by chance or maybe some calculations or some modifications if we do unwantedly, all those we don't want to do. So that's the reason we use these constants. And by using these constants, what happened? So this improves code readability, maintainability. So code would be easy to read, easy to understand, easy to maintain. And of course, when it is easy to maintain, we can also write lot much stuff relevant to that, and we can easily modify. Let's say if we are using a variable called pi, so that pi is used in 15 places in the program. So why do you want to go and modify that? So if you say 3.14, it is fixed. So directly use one variable called const float pi equal to 3.14, and wherever you need the value 3.14, directly use pi. That's all. So that's the reason we use these constants. So let's see different types of constants what are available in C. So basically we have integer constants like 10, minus 25, etc. We also have floating constants 3.14, minus 0.15, character constants like character A. So character constants are something which are enclosed in single quotes. So basically characters are something which are enclosed only in single quotes, only we have a single character. Now if you say capital A, character 9, character Z. Similarly, we also have strings. So strings are basically enclosed in double quotes. If you see hello, C language, Kushal, all these are said to be strings. So then we have symbolic constants. In these symbolic constants, we use basically by hash define. So if you see hash define pi 3.14159. So why this symbolic constant hash define? So this is basically used in something before our main section. So in that definition section, we use this. So by using this in definition section, so let's say now I put the value pi to 3.14. Okay, so the same pi we can use it in lot many places. So instead remodification. And also as we have already seen constant variables. So using const keyword, const float pi equal to 3.14. So these are the different types of constants and much more examples. So normally there are some common mistakes what we can avoid. So just try to modify a const variable. If you try to modify a const variable, so basically compiler gives us error. So let's say in our program, maybe if you're trying to modify something like this. So we put const float, so pi equal to 3.14. So maybe at a point, if you want to modify this pi to 3.14 plus 5, just some modification. So this will not be allowed. So this is an error. So this is an error because you're trying to modify a const variable. So where your compiler will throw an error. So even though let's say if you forget to use const, where you want to go for fixed, then definitely it's a good practice to go for const. So normally here pi is constant. So if you even though you forget to write, make it as a habit to use const. So it just to summarize, so constants in C are used to store values that should never change. So like you say mathematical values, pi, number of days in a week, etc. So we can define these constants using hash define or const. So this makes our code safer, cleaner, and of course professional. So that is all for this video, guys. Thank you for watching. See you guys in the next one.